In this video, I'm doing a comparison of the old Mint Mobile app versus the new Mint Mobile app. Now, if you go into the Apple App Store, the app got a pretty major update about 4 months ago. This was from version 1.712 to version 2.0. And the app effectively went from looking like this on the left to looking like this on the right. Now, you can see pretty major changes all around in terms of the app design. The navigation, you had this side out drawer on the left, and now you have some tabs on the bottom on the right. So let's take a moment to go through what's new, what's different, and the changes and improvements Mint made. The first one is right up front. It's on the home screen when you first load up the application, and that's that you can now see your remaining data instantly without having to tap the check buttons. In the old app, you had to tap check and check to see how much cellular data you had remaining. Now in this particular account, I have no data remaining, and you can see Mint now adds a 1 gig and 3 gig data add-on right there for me on the home screen of the new application. So that's a great way to add a little bit of extra data to your plan if you need it. On the old app on the left, you had to go up to this hamburger menu here, and this is where you'd have all the options. So this is where you can see set up auto recharge, change plan, and then you'd have to buy more high-speed data. The add-ons are the same, just the process and ease of accessing them are a little different. So let's actually just start with the old application while we're here, kind of walk you through what this one looked like, and then I can take you over to the new app and show you all the design changes. Again, previously you had this hamburger menu, and this is really where you accessed all of your settings. Now, again, you had the account summary. This is the first tab we visited, and you can see it is a little slow, and loading up this page for the second time, we still need to tap again to view our remaining data. So it's nice Mint made improvements to the new app. Next, we can set up auto recharge, and we have the option to change our plan. Now, if I bring over the new app for comparison, you can see there's a new My Plan tab located in the bottom. It's the second tab there. You can immediately see your current plan as you can on the left. And if you tap Change Plan, this is where you get kind of a nicely redesigned look for changing your plan. You still have the same options, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months with the most savings. But the overall design and aesthetic is much cleaner and nicer, in my opinion, on the new app. So that's kind of the My Plan tab. Continuing to go through the older app, again, we have the buy more high-speed data and international data. And this is where you get international roaming credit if you're traveling abroad. And then you can load your wallet up with funds. And then finally, you have some additional settings. You can refer a friend. This is where you get your referral information if you wanted to refer someone. I will be shutting down this account soon, so please don't steal the referral code. I will leave a link to Mint Mobile in the video description if you're interested in checking them out. In the new app, as comparison, you can now just swipe down and you get this kind of nice splash screen where you can learn more about earning your free Mint Mobile credit. They do have a great referral program. I think you get, if you refer 5 people, you get a free year of service, which is really cool. Feel free to share your referral links in this video description by all means. I want to help you guys out. So yeah, it's very similar design and aesthetic, but just a different way of accessing the information. And then going through here, you have Wi-Fi talk and text, my contact info, update password, promo preferences, transaction history, order a new SIM, activate new SIM, and my account number. Now, I think something interesting here is if you tap my account number, it says to call customer care. And this is a big improvement Mint has made with the new mobile application. So along with improving the design and aesthetics, Mint actually made the app easier to navigate with one hand, which is very helpful for me as I'm filming videos like this one. Anyway, so again, you had the My Plan tab, we covered that. New is a dedicated support tab, and this is where you can immediately visit Mint's FAQ page. This is where you can find answers to a lot of frequently asked questions about Mint Mobile, and I guess you can enter your email to win an iPhone XR as well. But it's nice you have that link directly in the application. If you need help with a different issue, you can tap Start a Conversation, and you will immediately be queued up to chat with a support bot that will help you through whatever problem you're facing. This is pretty good at giving you general information. Let's say you need technical support, you can just tap technical support, and if an agent is needed, let's say we're having a port in issue. I feel like that may be kind of common for you guys. Mint will actually understand the issue and then queue you up to chat with an actual agent. So I will connect you to an agent. One moment you see, boom, right up top, I'm number 1 in the queue with a wait time of approximately 5 minutes. I think it's really great. Mint has added the customer chat functionality within their application, makes it easier for Mint customers to get support and get their plan up and running. I'm gonna close the chat now, but there you go. You can rate your chat experience. I had a fantastic experience chatting with the bot. My issue was resolved. Thank you, Mint Mobile. So that is the chat functionality. And finally, you do have that same phone number on the bottom if you do need to call customer support. But finally, on the bottom right is the account tab. And this is kind of a combination of all these different options on the left grouped into one convenient location. So we still have my account details here where you can see all your name and info. My Mint Family, this is new. This is where you can set up a family plan on Mint Mobile. I have a dedicated video on this, so click the little card in the top right to learn more about Mint Family and setting up your Mint Family plan. And then scrolling down, this is where you get all the options, including buying more data, buying international roaming credit, adding money to your wallet, updating your payment method, viewing your transaction history, and then you can see some additional settings here for international call history, Wi-Fi calling and texting, change your password, and then view the legal terms and conditions. Overall, I think Mint did a fabulous job updating the design and functionality of their mobile application. I really love companies who spend time building a nice, friendly, easy-to-use application for managing your plan and getting customer support. So that's going to be it for this video. Please leave a like down below if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment if you have questions about Mint Mobile, or feel free to share your experience using Mint Mobile. I use them as my personal provider, and I think they're continuing to improve their service all the time. They now officially support 5G, which I love to see. Either way, that's going to be it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Stetson, and I'll see you next time.